Hello, welcome to Work and Time series of India Edu tutorials. In our previous class, we have discussed about basic concepts of work and time. Today and in further classes, we would be discussing some examples so that you are more clear on how to solve problems related to work and time. First example is A, B and C can do a piece of work in 20, 30 and 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day? Now first thing that I have told in previous class also is that while solving the questions you need to find out work done by the people in a single day. Let's say A's 1 day work will be equal to 1 upon 20 because total work he can complete in 20 days. So his 1 day work is 1 by 20. Similarly, B's 1 day work will be 1 by 30 and C's 1 day work will be 1 by 60. Now, it is given in the question in how many days can A do the work if he is assisted by B and C on every third day. That is, till 2 days A is working alone while on the third day B and C are also assisting him. So, work done by A in 2 days. So, A's 2 days work will be this single day work into 2, that is 1 by 20 into 2, say 1 by 10. Now 3 days work, total 3 days work would be A's 2 days work plus A, B, C together, their single day work, C's day work. Now A's 2 day work is 1 by 10 and ABC's 1 day work would be addition of all these. So 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. Now taking the LCM, 60 would be the LCM. Here it would be 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which will give us 6 and 3 9, 9 and 3 12, 12 upon 60, say 1 upon 5. So 3 days work is equal to 1 by 5, or we can say that 1 upon 5 of work is completed in 3 days. So one work will take how many time? That is 3 into 3 divided by 1 upon 5. 3 into 5, that is 15 days. So total work will be completed in 15 days. Let's have another example. Another example is A is thrice as good workman as B and therefore is able to finish the job in 60 days less than B. Working together, they can do it in dash. So in this question, it is given that A is thrice as efficient as B. So in terms of work, A and B. Now A is thrice as efficient as B. Say if B is 1, then A is thrice efficient than B. In terms of time, we know that work rate and time are inversely proportional. That is, if the work rate is high, then time will be low. Similarly, if work rate is low, then time will be high. So this is inversely proportional. So the time ratio becomes 1 and 3. Now the difference between them is 2 days. That is, if A can complete the work in 1 day, B will take 3 days to complete the same work. So in 2 days difference, B takes 3 days. In 1 day difference, B will take 3 by 2 days, and it is given that they finish the job, A finishes the job in 60 days less than B. So if the difference is of 60 days, then B will take 3 by 2 into 60, that is 30 into 3 is 90 days. Similarly, we can calculate the time taken by A. So in 2 days difference, A takes 1 day, and in 60 days difference, A will take 1 by 2 into 60, that is 30 days. So A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 30. Similarly, B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 90 now. They are working together, so total work would be A's 1 day work plus B's 1 day work, that is 1 upon 30 plus 1 upon 90, which will be equal to 45 by 2, or say 22.5. So total time they will take to cover the work is 22.5 days. For more examples, stay tuned with indiaedu.com.